I'm Dan from ISH24 and I'm here to show you our new Evac stretcher, the SuperSafe Evac stretcher that we've just finished manufacturing, and I'll show you the bits and pieces. So the Evac stretcher is used for confined space and vertical rescue. So what the first thing we've done is we've got rid of all the plastic buckles and we've gone with the steel quick connects on all the straps. Makes it much faster, but at the same time we're not going to break the plastic ones that we were breaking a lot of. The second difference in this stretcher compared to the other ones is that we've actually built in a harness as well. So this harness is permanently fixed inside the stretcher, so that if you need to get someone out of a confined space or at heights that don't have a harness, pretty much they can pop straight in and they're secure, and you can attach your backup line directly to that. The other couple of small things we've made changes for: we have a pocket in the bottom now. So in this pocket, it'll have all your slings and carabiners that are needed to secure this harness and to lift vertical or horizontal. One of the other changes that we made was, in small teams, when you're dragging this thing, it used to damage the stretcher. So what we've done is we've built in a ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene pad at the bottom. This is so when you're dragging this stretcher that there's no friction. It's really low friction, so it's easy for the guys to drag, but also it won't damage the stretcher. All right, we've got Brett here today helping me. So we're going to strap him in with the new harness. So we've got a leg strap, two leg straps obviously. Cool, and then we've got our shoulder straps that go over the top. Leg straps get done up. It's big enough that it accommodates nearly every size. Well, I've designed it so it should accommodate every size. So the straps, we're all in, done. That's our connection point for our backup line. Then you do his feet. Again, another quick connect. So he's now secure from falling out, as well as falling through the bottom. Then we go to do the stretcher up itself. Leave his arms out so it doesn't freak out on me. Your chest, watch your arms, mate. Lift that arm up. Done. That's it, comfortable. Okay, that's Brett packaged up. So we can lift using these three handles straight up, carry, or if it's coming out of a confined space, we can look up this way, and away we go. That's the super secure rescue stretcher.